Hey everyone, this is Arjun Rai, founder and CEO at HelloWolfie.com. Today we're going to talk about really quickly how to post to groups on Facebook that you are not an admin to. Take a look. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pick a post. So we're going to pick with this post here talking about Google Chrome being the best solution for using Hello Wolfie. Click on the triangle, scroll down. We're going to go ahead and pick on the Facebook integration. So we're going to pick on the personal integration. We're going to send it to non-admin groups. As you can see here, it's going to send me a reminder. And then we're going to go ahead and click on post over here on the bottom right, and it's going to send me a reminder immediately. Here we go. We're on our website. We're waiting for a reminder to come in. We're going to click post, and let's take a look. Let's take a look. Here comes a reminder. Voila, your short post is ready to go. So now what's going to happen is we're going to see the post. There's the video. We're going to tap on it. Non-admin group reminder. We're going to tap on it again. Caption has been copied over. And on the bottom, you can see there's an option right here for groups. Now there we can choose all the groups that we're a member of, including an admin of, and that's how easy it is to be able to post that video with that caption, and all you have to do is just paste it in and hit post and you're good to go. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below. Thanks.